In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause Dropbox syncing. If you need to temporarily stop Dropbox from uploading or downloading files on your computer, this is a quick and useful feature to know. Pausing sync can help if you want to save bandwidth, avoid changes updating for a short time, or simply prevent Dropbox from working in the background while you focus on something else. The good news is that the process is simple on both Windows and Mac, and it only takes a moment. To begin, open Dropbox from your desktop. On a Windows computer, look for the Dropbox icon in the taskbar, usually near the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen. On a Mac, you'll find the Dropbox icon in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click that icon once to open the Dropbox menu. This is where you can view your sync status and access the settings you need. Once the Dropbox menu is open, look for your profile picture or the gear icon. Depending on your version of the app, you may see one or the other, but both lead you to the same general controls. Click on it to open the available options. From there, select Pause Syncing. As soon as you click Pause Syncing, Dropbox will stop uploading and downloading files. This means any new changes you make on your computer or changes made from another device will not sync until you turn syncing back on. This is helpful if you want to make temporary changes without immediately updating the cloud, or if you're working with a slower internet connection and want to reduce network activity. When you're ready to start syncing again, the process is just as easy. Click the Dropbox icon in your taskbar or menu bar one more time to reopen the Dropbox menu. You should now see the option to resume syncing. Click that and Dropbox will continue syncing your files normally. After resuming, Dropbox will pick up where it left off and begin uploading or downloading any pending changes. If you've paused syncing for a while, it may take a few moments for everything to catch up, depending on how many files were changed. That's all there is to it. Pausing and resuming Dropbox syncing is a simple way to stay in control of when your files update. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to stop syncing temporarily and turn it back on whenever you're ready.